purpose of our study was to understand the thriving of underrepresented college students. For the purposes of this study, underrepresented students included transfer students, international students, and first-generation students. This study used a sequential exploratory design consisting of two distinct phases. In this design, quantitative numeric data was collected using the Thriving Quotient instrument.
Data obtained from the Thriving Quotient was used in purposefully sampling participants for the second phase. The second phase of the project will help explain or elaborate on the quantitative results obtained in Phase 1. Individual interviews will be used to elaborate on the quantitative findings for each of the underrepresented student groups.
We sent out a voluntary survey to the 1,805 underrepresented students enrolled at SMU in the fall of 2019. We received 243 responses, 148 of which were completed.
Next, we began semi-structured individual interviews with participants who volunteered and completed 8 interviews, which allowed us to gain a detailed understanding of our research question. We want to give a special thanks to the SMU Oral History Project and Norwick Center for their assistance with our interview process.
After completing interviews, we performed a content analysis to code, categorize, and theme our survey responses into 8 emergent themes. The 8 themes included university support, policies and procedures, faculty and assignments, concern for money and finances, life events, belonging, and self-confidence. The themes reflect both positive and negative dimensions that either contribute to or detract from student thriving. Our research poster contains a full discussion of these themes.
These themes further illustrated the reasons why participants were or were not thriving. Future project action items will include adding additional variables to determine effects on the Thriving Quotient, conducting tests for statistical significance, and creating a video for practitioners at SMU to understand international, first-generation, and transfer students. Thank you for your interest in our study, and please reach out if you have any questions.